Hello everyone. Today I am presenting my first presentation. Here are some important facts about graphics and multimedia. Let's go. What is a file format? Image file formats are standard way of organizing and storing of image files. Image files are composed either pixels or vector geometric data. The pixels that compose an image are ordered as a grid, columns, and rows. Each pixel consists of numbers representing magnitudes of brightness and color. Image file size. This is expressed as number of bytes. This value depends on two factors. 1. Number of pixels on the screen. 2. Bit depth. Number of bits allocated for a pixel. Large number of rows and columns increase the resolution and it leads to larger the file size. Image file compression. Image file compression is a term used to describe ways of cutting the size of the file. Why need image compression? Image files typically are larger than text files. Web pages often contain many images that are transmitted across connections that can be slow. Image files can be quite large, and larger file type means more disk usage and slower downloads. Therefore, it is helpful to have a way to represent images in a compact format. Types of image file compression. There are two types of compression algorithms. Number 1, lossless compression. Number 2, lossy compression. Lossless compression. Algorithms reduce file without losing image quality, though they are not compressed into as small file as a lossy compression file. When image quality is valued above file size, lossless algorithms are typically chosen because it lets you create the original file exactly. All lossless compression is based on the idea of breaking a file into a smaller form for transmission storage and then putting it back together on the other end so it can be used again. Lossy compression. These algorithms take advantage of the internet limitation of the human eye and discard invisible information. Most lossy compression algorithms allow for variable quality levels compression, and as these levels are increased, file size is reduced. At the highest compression levels, image deterioration becomes noticeable as compression art visiting. Lossy compression works very differently. These programs simply eliminate unnecessary bits of information, tailoring the file so that it is smaller. This type of compression is used a lot of reducing the file size of bitmap pictures, which tend to be very bulky. Lossy compression example. If there is an image where sky is blue, most of the individual pixels are a little bit different. To make this picture smaller without compression, the resolution, you have to change the color value for certain pixels. If the picture had a lot of blue sky, the program would pick one color of blue that could be used for every pixel. Then the program rewrite the file so that the value for every sky pixel refer back to this information. With lossy compression, you can't get the original file back after it has been compressed. BMP, bitmap file format, uses only for bitmap graphics in Windows platform only. Compression of bitmap file is not supported since very large file size. The main advantage is their wide acceptance, simplicity, and uses in Windows programs. Uses .bmp extension at the end. BMP uses used for Microsoft Paint program, suitable for background images and wallpapers. This is especially true for screenshots. Images from scanners are usually stored in BMP files. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, one of the most popular formats for web graphics, use lossy data compression technique, support for 24-bit color information, produce relatively small file sizes when saving, use the JPG extension at the end. When view the image again, the JPG process plugs the factors back into the formula and generates the pixels that best represent the original image. JPEG uses most common in photographs and continuous tone bitmap images. All digital cameras have this option, used as the image compression algorithm in many Adobe PDF files, ideal for web pages and emailing of photos. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, one of the most popular file formats for web graphics and for exchanging graphics files between computers. Support for 8-bit of color information or less. This makes GIF format suitable for storing graphics with relatively few colors, such as simple diagrams, shaped and cartoon style images. When saving, use .gif extension at the end. GIF uses supports for animation and is still widely used to provide image animation effects, used for web graphics and exchanging graphic files between computers. PNG, Portable Network Graphics, similar to GIF, lossless data compression technique. PNG supports for true color, where GIF supports only for 256 colors. Platform independent, should be used for single image, not for animation. Use .png extension. PNG uses the lossless PNG format is best suited for editing images. TIFF, Tag Interchange File Format, tag-based format and used for bitmap images. Platform independent, compatible with wide range of software applications. This format is complex, so files larger than GIF or JPEG. Support for lossless compression. TIFF uses widely accepted as a photograph file standard in the print industry. EPS, Encapsulated PostScript. It's a meta format. Can use for vector image or bitmap images. Can be used in various of platforms. This format contains PostScript output device. Use .eps extension. PICT, Picture File Format, used for primarily on Macintosh platform. Most commonly used for bitmap images, lossless format. Therefore, files are very large. Use .pct extension. PSZT uses use in video editing, animation, desktop computer presentation, and multimedia authority. Thank you. Created by M.A. Sandanika Nirmani, guided by Mr. S.J.S.V. Rajavaksha. Thanks for watching.